In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on WhatsApp notifications. If your phone stays quiet when messages arrive, we'll walk through the exact settings inside WhatsApp and in your phone's system so alerts come through reliably. I'm showing the Android layout that uses the three-dot menu in the top right. If your device looks a little different, don't worry. The options have very similar names and the idea is the same. Start by opening WhatsApp. From the main chat screen, tap the three dots in the top right to open the menu. Choose Settings, then tap Notifications. This is where WhatsApp controls its own alerts for messages, group chats, and calls. Spending a minute here makes a big difference because even if your phone allows notifications, WhatsApp can still mute them inside the app if these toggles are off. In the notifications screen, turn on conversation tones. This enables the subtle sound you hear when you send and receive messages, which is a helpful quick check that things are working. Next, make sure Show Notifications is enabled for both messages and groups. When these are on, WhatsApp is allowed to post alerts for one-on-one chats and group conversations. If either is off, you won't see banners, sounds, or icons for that category. You can leave any other preferences as they are, or customize tones and vibration later, but the key today is ensuring those show notifications switches are on. Now, let's confirm your phone itself allows WhatsApp to notify you. Open your phone's settings app, then go to Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Find WhatsApp in the list and tap it, then choose Notifications. This is the system level control which sits above the app's own settings. If this is off, no alert can get through even if everything inside WhatsApp looks correct. Finally, toggle Allow Notifications or Show Notifications to the on position. Some phones also display categories like message notifications or group notifications. As long as the main switch is on, WhatsApp has permission to alert you. If categories appear, you can leave them as default for now. The important part is that the overall permission is enabled. That's it. You've turned on notifications in WhatsApp and in your phone's system. If things still seem quiet later, double check your volume and any do not disturb schedules, as those can silence alerts temporarily. You can also ask a friend to send a quick message to confirm everything's working. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying on top of your chats.